Yes,
You
yes.
better make it like this. Okay, see, for incident, this is the database column, type and dependency.
Okay.
Okay, is visible, right?
Yes, yes.
Make a excel sheet like what is the number is the database name is number, what is the type string, caller, what is the database or column name, it's a caller underscore id, reference, which reference it is depending on the companies, because
Okay.
company users, all the users will come, no?
Yes.
So that's how you will take it. State, what is the database name, state, what is the type, integer. So you better made it like this. Okay, it will actually generally will get the idea what are the types will be available in in the table actually.
Okay, so
Okay.
I can see daily we'll see the incidents, right, in
Yes,
my
yes,
work. So I can go with that. I mean, there itself it will be a
yes,
back
yes,
number will be 90,
yes,
96
yes.
like that. Okay.
Okay, okay, you are saying the numbers.
Yes,
Yes,
I
okay.
mean list like
Okay,
here
okay, I
it is
got it, I got it. Make it for the problem and change also. Okay,
problem and
problem table and change table you better write in single one, because all the number, caller, state, all the get it, all the fields are same in
okay
every
incident.
yes, every table, like change
Okay,
table or problem table. So it's better to take it like that, huh?
okay, sure, sure.
This is actually help you in the service catalog, because I am teaching you not in the point of administrative but in the point of developer role. Okay,
Okay, okay,
administration is very small part. You
mm,
can, if you can easily get the what is the flow, you can easily get it how actually administration work.
okay.
Because I used to work administration part only in 1 year of my entire service.
Oh, okay.
After that, I fortunately or unfortunately get the opportunity to work with the developing team.
Mm, mm,
Then I started with the accommodate with the architect team. So
okay,
how I get the opportunity, that's how I get the opportunity to work on it.
okay,
Okay, so that's why administration part is, I will teach how you have to deal with the administration part.
sure.
Remaining you will do it, because you already started about things, right?
Yes.
Like what is incident, all these things.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So today we will go for the incident management. Okay, modules. So let's for the basic, like what is incident, problem, change, service request management, service level agreement. Can you give a brief idea about what is incident? How do you incident management works?
Incident management. Incident means generally we'll categorize like interruption to the usual works.
Yes.
Uh, so for that, the user will contact us like a L1 team,
Yes.
or they can raise a ticket from the self-service portal.
Okay.
Once the ticket is raised, it is assigned to one group, and then it will assign to the person.
Okay.
So it will make the changes into working progress, and there is the user.
Okay.
If there is a fix, permanent fix, in within a span of minutes,
Okay.
hours, they will reach the user and try to fix it. And if the user is okay with the fix, we can mark it as resolved and close. Or if the user want to monitor that, we can pen the ticket upon the user confirmation,
Okay.
and then we can get the confirmation and we can close that.
Yes. Yeah, this is how actually an incident management work.
Mhm.
If the interviewer will ask about what is incident, then what will be your answer?
Um, like incident means
Try to get it the you what you have been said is it's correct.
okay.
Try to get it the form, like you are saying that is a you are saying about the total management, like how the
Yes,
incident will
yes,
be
yes.
covered, right? You get the words from that, you will get it what is incident actually.
Okay, like that I said, incident is interruption to the normal work.
Yes,
So
yes,
graded the ticket
yes.
like that it is.
You have said the correct thing, but
Mm.
in interview point of view, the interviewer always see for the broader perspective. Okay,
Okay, yes, sure.
so the answer should be very simple, but at the same time it should be, how you are approaching also. See,
Okay,
This is the answer actually. Any kind of an event occurs into your application and causes impact in your business application is called incident.
Okay.
Okay, it is the short form of incident.
Hmm.
uh, Basically you can say that any interruption which occurs in the business application or any impact that would be on the businesses is called an incident. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for example, the power shortage, Wi-Fi disconnection.
Yes.
Uh, these are the examples. What
Okay.
is the incident management means? Incident management is a process that aims to restore normal services operation as quick as possible. Why we are using as quick as possible? Because every second is countable in the business. Okay, that's
Okay.
why we have to use this one, and that will minimize the impact on the business operation. Okay, that is, these business operations are very important in point of view the SLS. Okay,
Okay.
service level management.
Hmm.
This is the very important topic with comparing to the business.
Okay.
Okay, and coming to the problem, whenever we get any problem, not in the incident, not in the saying of the software, let's take into the life. Okay, we just sit in the room and we will think about that how the problem is coming, right? So this is also same, we have to go for the root cause. Okay, but how can we consider it is a problem? Basically, when incidents are occurring similar kind of issues from multiple peoples or the same category, we consider as a problem. For example, there is a company called XYZ and there are 10 people are complaining with the same category, and the category should be anything network. Okay, or anything which has been in the category list. So that is called a problem. That problem will be seen by investigating the root cause. So that is actually how problem management works. Going into the root to take out the real problem, and they have to sort out from the root cause only. Then only the problem will be rectified. Okay, and the goal is also same as an incident. Identify, eliminate the root cause of recurring issues to prevent them from happening again. It focuses on finding permanent solution rather than just fixing. So this is an important thing. Rather than a fixing, we have to see the permanent cause. Do you have any idea about change management? Like what is change? What is change management? Yeah, Jagdish. Jagdish. Yeah, Jagdish. Are you there?
There's a power cut.
Okay,
Suddenly,
okay,
I connected to mobile hotspot. Not a problem.
okay, okay. Do you have any idea about change management?
Change. Usually, the change we'll do it for the application.
Yes,
Application.
sir.
Yes. There is a separate team who is taking care of that. But the process is there. We'll raise a change request,
Yes,
and it will go for the cab approval.
yes,
Then only it will go for the further process. If
yes,
they
yes,
approve, we can make the changes. And in change also there is emergency
yes,
change
yes. Very good,
request,
very good.
normal change request, like that it will be.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah,
know about.
actually, yeah, that's how you are approaching the change. That's actually very good that you have a basic idea on the change.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, we can put it in the words like change management provides a systematic approach to control the life cycle of all the changes. Okay.
Okay.
Facilitate benefits changes to be made with the minimum disruption to the IT services. This is the main thing. Because when you are changing something, it should be changed that particular cause only. It cannot be disturbed to the other things.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
even the approvals also, even the giving the notifications also, you have to be stick to that particular thing. We can take the example like a problem ticket was created and resolved by the resetting the circuit breaker up to prevent future issues, and electrical system upgrade is required. This will be managed through a change request only, because you have to change that one, right? That
Yes.
electrical system. So this is how. Yeah, have you say you already said that types of changes like standard, emergency, and normal. Standard is a pre-approved,
Okay.
so it's actually organization uses very less this type of change, standard change. Maximum organization will use this emergency and normal. Okay,
Okay.
because this is already pre-approved, so uh, standard changes will be occur very less, because already the knowledge base has been novice has been coming into the market. So from knowledge base only it will complete the entire process. So coming to the emergency and normal, these are things should you have to keep in your mind. Okay, I will tell you that how you have to approach it.
Okay.
Okay, but keeping in this mind, you can start the preparation also for this. Okay,
Okay.
it's actually low risk. Like standard one is low risk, like so any software update is needed. Okay, here actually high priority issues in emergency implement as soon as, because whenever an emergency has been come, no, they have to review one meeting. Then after that meeting, they have to get back into their works. Like server crash, because when the server has been crashed, the entire system will be collapsed.
Yes.
So yeah, then normal is something like required complete assessment and approvals, because here chain system is very big in normal. We have to approve one by one, then only it will get the correct notes. After completing of the notes, you have to close the ticket, and the entire change will be completed, like network upgrade, like that. Okay.
Okay.
Here actually we can see the process like create, review, evaluation, approval, implement, and validate. And there are some more will be there. Okay, some just a minute. Some more will be there, like in normal. For example, we have authorization and scheduled. Okay, in emergency there will be a implement, review, close. Everything will be there. And in standard will be new, schedule, implement, review, and close. Nothing evaluation, approvals will be not there, because in standard it's already a pre-approved.
Okay.
So okay, so this is how it works. I will show you everything. I will show you on the instance, but
Okay.
before that I want to give one gist of it. And coming to the service request, service request is a, any request has been raised by through the portal, or
Hmm.
directly from the website only, or directly from the request table only, to get what actually the customer or any employee or any client are needed.
Yeah.
So this
This
is
is
actually,
RATM, right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
This is actually how it works. Like automate standardized request process to increase efficiency, to provide visibility into request status and fulfillment type. Okay, because to raise a request is okay, but to complete the process we need a goal. That is
Yes.
the goal actually.
Okay.
Okay, this is, you see the flow, like request creation. After request is creating, we are giving some approval. After giving approval, a fulfillment team will fulfill the complete the process. After completing the process, confirmation will be done. After confirmation, the closure, the request table will be closed.
Okay.
Okay, this is actually how cycle will be done. This is the after approval to complete and confirmation. Here the whole entire system will be depends on how you are dealing it. Okay,
Okay.
these three things are very important, from approval to completion and confirmation. After request creation, creating the request is not a big deal, but from request approval to completion of confirmation is very, you have to be very strong in this particular area, because here you need approvals, notifications, scripting part, everything come under these three things.
Okay.
Okay. And last one is service level management. Here we can see three things: SLS, OLS, and UP. SLS as service level agreement. It's basically set of agreement between service provider and customer. This is the main thing I have studied, told you about the business growth, right? In
Yes.
incident management. So this is the thing, because uh, I am a ABC company and you are client to me, and
Okay.
we done agreement between us, like if an incident will be raised, okay, I will resolve in 5 hours. This is the agreement we have done.
Hmm.
Okay, so and you will ask me, sir, it's okay, you will resolve in 5 hours. What is the response time? Means I am raising an incident, but you have to response it, right?
Yes.
If I'm getting a some incident in my business organization, then how can you resolve it? or response it, what time you will response it. So this is an agreement between both of us. Okay. Like internet issue, for example. Coming to the OLA and the UP cannot come under the service, actually service now. It actually deals with the directly deals with the organization, because you are the only person in the organization, you have to deal with that particular client point of view only.
Okay.
But here actually something it has been added in the service now, after, because so many third parties are coming. Okay, so many support teams are collaborating. So that is the reason OLA will also come. It is an internal agreement between the support teams within the organization. For example, uh, there is a support team, there is a developing team, and there is another team. So we teams have been come onto an agreement that we have to, resolve this task as soon as possible. So that is a different level. So collaboration between service desk and network team. So this is something, unique feature in service now. Coming to the underpinning is an third party activity. For example, uh, internet issues has been came. You have been raised the ticket. This is an SLA for me, and
Okay.
I have different teams with the internet issues. Okay, I have collaborated with that teams. That is OLA for me. Okay, now coming to the UP underpinning. Now we decided that, okay, this particular internet service which is providing is the third party. Okay, which is not come under your presence, but it's come under my presence. So
Okay. Like
what I will do, yeah, what I will do, I will call that particular person and I started the fixing. So I have deal with that particular person. So that is called an extra underpinning. It is an agreement between organization and third party service provider.
okay.
It is must ensure the third party vendor align with SLS and OLS. I will tell you that this person has been come and sort out the problem. Okay. After that problem is resolved, this person calls you and tell you, sir, will you check the, internet, is it working or not? After checking that, you will tell that, yeah, it's working.
Okay.
So
Like
this is how, yeah, this is
vendor
how.
ticket, right?
Yes, yes. This is
Okay.
how the third party is dealing with you, but
Mm.
actually main is connecting with me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is actually underpinning.
Okay.
So this is actually an interview question, like what is service level management? Can you explain that? You have to
Okay.
say these three things: SLS, OLS, and underpinning. Okay. Then they will ask you, can you give any example for SLA, OLA, and you underpinning? So you better take an internet one or like that. So you can say all the things which have been used here.
Okay.
Okay.
The three things, right?
Yeah, the three things.
Mm. Sure.
Uh, you better note it down, and after that class, you should research on more on it. You will get some basic idea on it.
Sorry, it is reconnecting. Could you please repeat it? Ah.
You better note some points, like, right. So
Okay.
it will help you to, give the interview best from your side, and it will help you to, elaborate more, because this is very limited. I'm giving the knowledge to you,
Hmm.
uh, because these are only used to in the some of the application parts only, not all. because
Okay.
because when any client is dealing with you, then only the SLS will come under the picture.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, otherwise you have to maintain your own thing.
Okay.
So that's why you better make a notes on it.
Okay.
uh,
Sure.
yeah.
Just a question. Like any like a workbook. Will you share with me like for the task you will assign the explanation you did on the topic?
Workbook, no need of workbook, because
Okay.
I will directly see in your instance only.
Okay.
Because if I'm see, presently I'm given only three tasks. Okay,
Hmm.
that three tasks are just for the, for your knowledge, like how you are exploring it.
Okay.
From today onwards, the real task will be started in your instance only, because that day
Sure.
your instance has been not created.
Hmm.
So that's why I have been, not started yet, but today I will start it.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the basic things from the modules. Okay, these are, we will cover the administration part in the these three five things,
Hmm.
and developing part also.
Okay.
Okay. So coming to the next one, main thing you have to see is the foundations in the service now. Okay, every organization, whichever it follows the service now, okay, they actually maintain a table called user table. This is the user table, and you have to remember the table name also. Okay, here actually users, but coming to the table name, it is actually sys underscore user.
Hmm.
Okay, you have to remember this name also, because whenever an interviewer will ask the question, you have to say with the user name, user table name.
Okay.
Okay, sys underscore user, sys underscore group. Like you have groups also. I will show you. So sys underscore user underscore group. You have to tell this name. Okay, you can't directly tell the group name. You can
Okay.
use this only. Why? Because in coming classes you have to write the scripting.
Okay.
In scripting part, you have to update some of the tables. So when you are updating some of the tables, you have to write this table name only. You cannot just directly write the groups, users like that,
Hmm. Okay.
because this is the table name. You have to update that particular table. Okay. So coming to this one, this is actually main thing, foundation part. We are coming it. Every organization have some employees. Okay. That employees, if they are using the service now, that employees all will be stored in this sys underscore user. Okay, or if there is no they are not using the employees in this user, yeah, employees names in this user table, they will use this user table as a client's user. Okay, for example, you are my client.
Okay.
I will store your profile here in my user table. Like for example, I have here, you will go for the new. Whenever you have to write a new one, you have to go for the new button there. For example, your name is Jagdish, right?
Yes.
Is this correct spelling?
Yeah. Ah, yes.
Okay, Jagdish, you have, what is your initial?
Yes.
S.
Yeah.
Okay, Jagdish dot S. What is S? Sane, SNE.
Ah, yes.
SNE. So I have created one ID, Jagdish dot Sane. So here my first name is Jagdish, right?
Hmm.
And last name is Sane.
Yeah.
Okay. Name you can write anything.
Hmm.
Just it is a reference one. Okay. Title you can give it anything. Department, for example, you are client to me and you are the department, for example, uh, developing part. Okay,
Okay.
I will set it as a department. Now I will create your you tell me your for example, sane at the rate of gmail.com. Okay,
Okay.
this is your email ID. For
Hmm.
instance, just for an example, I have to
Yeah.
get it. Okay,
Okay.
uh, this is actually how it's look. Okay, uh, if this is the you are the employee of my company, for example, then you will have the manager also, right?
Yes.
So I will use this manager. For example, your manager is some MS Dhoni. I have put it.
Okay.
Location, some any location you can use it. You can use this location. For example, you are from India, so you can see where it is actually India. India, you can use this India. Okay,
Okay.
then you have to save it. Okay, this is the minimum requirement things. Okay, you just save it. You have created one of the user. See, primarily email device created for Jagdish. So this is actually used for this service now only. It cannot send the particular email to that particular person, because this is a free instance, right?
Yes.
This free instance cannot be sent to that particular. So you just kept it as an example only. So this is how actually it has been created.
Okay.
If you see, if you go here, same table, you have been created with user id, with name, okay, and email, location, develop, what is the department, you who is your manager, and you are active. When it has been created, the date is also given, okay.
Okay.
This is actually an update set. This is actually this entire thing is called a list, okay.
Hmm.
This is actually list. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all our list. How many users are there? There are 650, 655 users are there. So now my question is, can you define what is stable?
Table.
Yes.
A table. Generally, the table inside that incident will be there, right?
No, no. Generally, tell me what is table, because this is one of the table. User is
Mm,
one of the table.
mm,
Okay. Group is another table.
yes.
So I'm just asking what is stable in your point of view. Just try to explain it now. Only I told you, no.
Set
So
of
just
columns and rows.
yes,
Generally.
yes. That is good. Very good. Yes, that is very good. And try to give in a broader perspective.
Mhm. It is a set of fields and
Uh, Keep it mind
but
in set of fields. I will discuss
it
it in another thing, another
okay.
concept. Okay, that is correct, but not in this concept,
Okay.
not in the
That
table
will be
concept.
in incident. It will be correct, right?
Yeah,
Fields.
incident is correct,
Yeah.
but
Yes.
now just uh, don't take incident in your mind.
Okay. Okay.
Just take example as an incident, but don't take it in the broader aspect.
Okay.
I will tell you what is table means. It is the list of collection of all the records.
Hmm.
Okay. Here Jagdish Sen is one record. Ramesh.Rao is one record. Virat.Kohli is another record. So these are all the records. It is the list of all the records. How many lists are there? 655 lists are there. What you have been said is correct. It is a set of columns and rows
Hmm.
which insist lists of records.
Okay.
This is how we have to say in the interview.
Sure.
Now you have been saying that fields, right? I
Yes.
have told that's another concept. Fields concept will come when we'll discuss about form.
Okay.
This is a form.
Yes.
Okay. When anyone will be say no, what is form? Describe it. Then you have to say the set of fields which describes that particular record.
Okay.
This is a particular record. Jagdish Sen is a particular record. The set of fields which describes his what actually he is. Okay, his name, his everything. This is one of the record, and in this record it describes everything. So this is how you have to say in the interview perspective. Okay, I think you got it right.
Yes. Yes, Venkatesh.
Yeah. Okay, then coming to, I think you got how you have to create the uh,
Users.
users. You
Yes.
have got the idea.
Yes.
Yes.
The user ID is generally good, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have to create. Take the assignment. You
Sure.
have to take. You have to create 15 users. Okay, with different names, different Gmail IDs. Okay, you have to take the 50. You have to take the assignment as 15. You create 15 users, 1 5, because these users will be help in the different projects actually.
Okay. Okay, Venkatesh. That password column is there, right?
Yes, yes, I will describe it that one also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this password is like something big concept. Uh, that is actually how you have to generate the password. For example, you have to set the one password for this particular person, because already user ID is there. You have to only set the password. So here you can take set password. You can see here the button, right? You can see here the button set
Yes,
password.
yes.
You can click it set password, and you can use it generate.
Yeah.
So here the password has been generated. You have to first copy this one. Okay,
Okay.
you have to paste it in any notepad, because this will actually help you when the pass sometimes the old password they will ask, you know. So that time this will help you. If you create a new one, it will be okay. I will show how to create that one also. This is how you generate it. And if you see, I will just click the save password. You will see here what is happening. Okay, this part, I just click save password. See, the password has been he came here. This is visible, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now it has been saved. Now you have to close this one. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to, password needs reset. Okay. See, user will be promoted to change password at next login. I
Yes.
don't want to, uh, see this person as next login. So I just removed it. Now you have to give some different password here. Uh, See, make note, you cannot use the word same words, okay? Here
Yes.
in the password, and you cannot use the sequence number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that.
Okay.
Okay, I will try to give okay some password. Then I updated it. Now it has been updated. If anything will become no, then it will be problem here. It will come some signal like the
Like requirement not met.
requirement like
Yes.
error type.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, now it has been created. Now let's check that whether it is created or not. Okay,
Okay.
uh, I try to log out, because something it's very big concept. We cannot go this by single thing. So it has been created.
Okay.
We logged in. So this is how actually you have to set up the password, and you have to
Okay.
change the password. Okay, so here the name Jagdish Sen.
Yes.
Okay, this is how actually it will works. You get the point, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now you have to make the 15
Sure.
users, and for the 15 users for 15 different passwords.
Okay.
And now this password is not required. Okay, why I have been saved here? Because sometimes it asks the previous password.
Okay.
That's why I have been saved here. You got the idea, right?
Yes.
Yeah. See, here I log out, right? You cannot change make changes here because you already logged out. Because these are the things you have been opened from that login. You cannot change the things here in this sys user table. Okay, sys user group table.
Okay.
Okay, because you already logged out. So again I logged in. Now you should refresh this one because you have been logged in, right? So you have to refresh these things. How many things you have been open, you have to all refresh it. So this is how you have to create. Where is it? Yeah. So user table sys underscore user. Okay. This is see, you have to prepare document like this only. Okay, in any notepad or anything, so that it will be remember you whenever you haven't done anything new, you will get any confusion, so you will check from your document. Okay, Jagdish.
Yes,
Yes.
Venkatesh.
So this will help you in the future. Actually, I will explain you how. Whenever you get any stuck any in one of the problem, no, you will easily go to the document. You cannot open uh, again and again the YouTube channels. So it
Okay.
will directly help you from this. So you got an idea like how you will open the user table. You have to
Yes,
go
yes.
the user table like this. Whenever the user has been you want to create, you have to go for new year. Okay. After clicking on the new, you have to complete some of the fields like user ID, first name, last name, and email ID. These four things are very necessary. After this, you have to save it. How to set up the password, I have told you. After
Yes,
creating that one, you can change it. Okay. Now coming to the groups. Groups are very important in the service now, because in incident, in incidents, whenever incident is created, we are assigning some of the incident to the particular groups, right?
yes.
For this groups, you have to create the groups. Okay, here the groups, take as an command center group. Command center group. So
Okay.
this is actually a command center group. How after saving the group, how it looks, it will be look like this. Okay, here I wrote the command center group. You can set up the Gmail ID also. You can set up the group manager also. I didn't set it. I just kept it as a empty. So you can set it. So after that, you have to add the members for it. How can you add it? I will show you. First, I will create one of the group. First, I will create one of the group. Okay. From here, you
Okay.
have to go for the new same process. The group name will be, for example, uh, tech tech mint. Okay, the group name. Okay, just saving it. After that, after saving this, some related tables will become. Okay, here you can add the members. Okay, group
Okay.
members you are visible, right?
Yes.
So you will add the existing members. You want to add the existing number, you have to go for the edit. If you want to create the new members, you have to go for the new.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going for the existing one. So here the names will become. Okay, here I will go for the Jagadish, and Virat. So I'm adding two members.
Okay.
So this is how actually it works. Okay, if you see, I'm just don't want to confuse you, but this is one of the most important topic here. If you see, if you open this one, if you want to see how many members are present in this particular group, here you are seeing, right?
Yes.
Here it is visible. But sometimes the interviewer will ask you which table the group members will be stored in that particular group. Then you have to see this table, sys user gr member.
Okay.
Okay, this is one of the important topic. I will tell you when scripting will become.
Okay.
Okay, because you have to retrieve the group members from the gr member table. There are some conditions in coming sessions like uh, only this group member can access that incident.
Yeah. Access control.
Yes, then you have to remember this table name, because from this table only you are setting, right?
Yes.
So then you have to take this table name, this table name, then you have to access this two fields like group and users.
Okay.
Okay, so that for that conditions time you have to remember this table name. Now you understand why the table name is very important.
Yes.
So this is how actually things going to work. Now you have added two members. Okay, take the assignment, create 6 groups,
Okay.
and group names should be one group is hardware group. Okay, another is software.
Okay.
You are writing, right?
Yes, yes. Noting.
Okay, okay. One is software, and other is finance.
Hmm.
Another is admin, admin department.
Okay.
How many? Three, four,
4.
four, right? Last one is service provider.
Service provider.
Okay,
Okay.
you have to make three, 5 groups. Okay,
Okay.
and try to make it another 2 groups like command center. One group is command center,
Okay.
and another is like finance or any another group.
Okay.
These 2 groups will be used in the coming classes.
Okay.
Remaining one will also come in the project. That's why I'm trying to make it now only.
Okay. Actually, for us, it will be like group name will be like USIT desktop
Yes, yes.
support.
Yeah, but
So,
I just want to simplify the things. That's
okay.
why
Uh-huh.
I
Well,
don't want to go into the directly into the
yeah,
IT
yeah, yeah.
service.
Maybe they based on territories, they
Yes,
that
yes.
is the client requirement.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, depends on the clients only.
Yes.
You can make it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this
Okay.
is how actually group will be done. And yeah, groups also completed. How you should make a group. Okay, here how you have to make, if you set the one of the manager to that team, group teams, and how it will be used. So
Okay.
you have to explore these things. Okay, try to set up 2 managers to that particular groups. Okay,
Okay.
meaning 2 particular groups. How it will work in future classes we will see.
Okay.
Okay, because if any incident will be assigned to that particular group, is manager will get the notification or group member will get the notification. You have to see that one.
Okay.
Okay, if not manager, then how the groups will be response. Okay, these are the things you have to keep into your mind.
Okay.
Okay? So this is how actually it works. I told you that how you should add the members. Okay, by editing you want to existing users, you have to go for the edit, or if you want to the new user, you have to go for the new thing. Okay, here actually how it works. Coming to the roles are very important. Okay, roles are very much important in the service now or any organization. See, roles are come under this table actually. uh, you will see that after user you should evaluate the roles, because which role is selected to that particular person or a particular group, then only they will, you can check the authority levels. Okay,
Okay.
roles you can see one of the authority which that particular person can access. Okay, here actually majorly we will talk about 3 roles. One is admin, one is itil, and another is itil admin.
Okay.
Okay, now the question will be come to you, what is the difference between admin and ITL? Can you describe it?
Admin, admin who will create generally admin work is the who will create that users
Yes.
and these groups and all.
Okay.
But ITLL is the service, right? And when it come to ticket, like as per our knowledge, because some ticket will be created from our end.
Yes. Yes.
For user work notes will be there. Those
Yes.
are done by our
Yes.
side who is supporting.
Yes.
uh, If the user has ITIL access, that role is assigned to them, they are
Okay.
able to see those work notes. If it
Yes.
is not assigned, they are unable to see work notes. Only they are able to see customer comments and the additional notes we added, like a
Yes.
mail, it will go.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that is the thing I know.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Whatever you have say, it's correct actually.
Hmm.
Okay. Here actually you can see sys user role. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Here you can see users and groups. Okay.
Yes.
In this only roles will be described like which role is actually associated to that particular person.
Okay.
Okay. Like for example, see here admin role. You can see the system administration role. This role is access to all the. You can see the what is actually description here.
Yes.
Okay, in these things. Again, another thing is there, but I don't think is actually coming to. You can see all the roles are here only. Okay. Now I will tell you the difference actually. What is role? What is ITL role and admin role?
Admin.
ITL role actually generally it create and update incident. Okay. Like for example, if incident has been created, you want to create an incident. If you have an ITL role, then only you can create the incident.
Yes.
If you have an ITL role, then only you can update the incident thing, incident ticket. You can reassign the tickets in ITL role. You can add work notes, resolve and close the incident.
Okay.
These are the things you can do in the ITL role. But coming to the admin, admin is something superior coming to the ITL. See, I am as an admin. If you see, I have an admin role, right?
Yes.
System administration. But you can see I'm modifying the ticket also by configuration of the tickets. Like for example, I will see here. Some tickets are there. I just want to delete some of the tickets. So here I just want to delete it. Okay, delete the record. So here I deleted the record. This one, 145. So 145 has been gone. But ITL rule cannot be done this time. He can only create or update the ticket. Okay,
Yes.
we don't have the opportunity to work on the deletion part. If ITIL admin, if I have the role of ITIL admin, okay, ITL role is different, ITIL admin role is different. You
Okay.
can note, you can take the assignment as this. What is the difference between ITIL and ITIL admin? Okay,
Okay.
tomorrow I want to know an answer about this. If I am the admin, I am just not only modifying the incident part, but I am modifying the roles. Okay, I'm modifying the groups. I'm modifying the users also.
Okay.
Okay, and not only this, I'm modifying the layouts also of incidents or different things. Okay,
Okay.
I can use the business rules for automation process as an admin, update ACLs and install plugins where new plugins have been required. I can install it, manage update sets and system properties. So entire system is under the admin only. So this is the main difference of ITIL and admin.
Okay.
Okay, you can put it like that.
Hmm.
Okay, now coming to things, I will show you. Yeah, coming to the things. Now, this I want this Jagdish Sen has to be put an ITL role. How can I put it? Here already system defaultly given some of the role. Okay,
Yes.
so it will be there, but I want to set up the role also. So I will go edit because I want to set the existing role, right?
Yes.
ITL. You put it here. See, here is came. What is the I ask you know? What is the difference between ITIL and ITL admin? I'm just putting the ITIL. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm saving. So here, what is actually role will do is entirely came here. Okay. And here also you can check it. What is actually it will do entirely has been came.
Yes.
So Jagdish, you have been in two. One is statement. It is already came here. Condition script writer is one of the thing which has been added in automatically added in the group. If you don't want it, you can delete it also. Okay. So here, see, you can see different things have been added here. I have been already told. See, you can read incident, write incident. Okay. Change, write. Request, you can write it. CMD, you can write it. So here has different things you can see here only. Okay, total 57 roles have been assigned with the single ITIL role. How can you check it? Like you can check it. For example, here the incident. I have created one incident. Okay, the caller is some able tutor or like that. For example, Raja Rao will be the caller, and whom I am assigning Jagdish Sen. Okay, Jagdish Sen I have been assigned.
Okay.
What is the what is the issue? Okay, so this is the things. Now I'm just submitting. Okay, I submitted it. All is set. So Raja or the caller assigned to Jagdish Sen. Now you have to check that whether Jagdish Sen has the role to, you know, you are as an admin, you want to check whether Jagdish Sen has role to check whether you can write the incident or read the incident. You will go here. Okay, this is a shortcut method for searching. You can go here. You can go impersonate user. You are seeing this one, right? You can go here and you type the name here, Jagdish Sen. Okay, you are going here and you just put impersonate user. Just click on it. Now you are Jagdish Sen. Okay, as a system administration, you just change to Jagdish Sen. So here the dashboard has been came. So one incident has been assigned to you. So it has came here. Okay, you are seeing, right?
Yes.
So one incident has been assigned here. It has came here. You will check that your teamwork is any teamwork is there or not. No, your work. What is my work? You can see. So here the incident came here. Net issues Raja Rao. So everything has been came. Right? You can open it. Okay. You can check what is the things. Impact is this one. All are given. Add the cause. No cause has been identified. So you can add the clause. Any clause will be there. Got it. Some like that. Got it. Add resolution notes. Resolution notes also important. Code is like resolved by caller. Okay. Some notes also you have to write. Done on time. Okay. If you see, we just resolved it. Okay. Resolve it. This case has been resolved, but you cannot have the option like delete. You just modified and resolved it, right?
Yes.
So this is the ITL rule. If you have an ITL admin, I will show you. For example, incidents. Yeah. Now you are Jagdish Sen only. Okay.
Okay.
You are opening one of the incident. See, you don't have the option delete. I think here you have. See, you cannot delete it.
Yes.
You are seeing that, right?
Yes.
Because you are only the ITL role. You can see or modify it, but you cannot. Don't have the option to delete. So this is the difference between an admin and ITL role, and you cannot configuration also. I think so. You don't have the configuration also. I think. See, there is no configuration, right?
Yes.
Yes. This is the difference actually. By impersonate that particular person, you can see which role is actually suitable for that person. Okay. Now
Okay.
you are going and impersonate. Okay. This will actually impersonate that user to at the admin part.
Okay.
So it has been completed. Now I came to my original thing, administration. Okay. Have you got the idea on it?
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the next class. Yeah. Coming to the next class. Now the problem. Okay. Problem. We are going for the all. I think you have got the idea about roles, groups, okay, users. What are the assignment have been given? You have to do it.
Yeah, I need to only create users and groups, right?
Groups, and you have to give the roles also.
Roles I need to
Only,
assign inside it.
yeah,
Okay.
only you have to give the roles. Only you have to give the ITL role only. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
don't give unnecessary roles. You have to study the roles.
Mm.
I think there are some roles are there. You can go through the ServiceNow community and check which roles actually important to study.
Okay.
Okay, because in business organization there are some roles you have to give that particular person. Then you have to study that roles too. You cannot go all the roles because there are more than 900 roles are there. So you cannot go each and every role, right?
Yes.
So there are some important roles. I think some 15 to 20 roles are very important.
Okay.
Okay, that roles you have to mug up and you have to study because that will actually help you to securities level because this is one of the security thing only you are dealing with it.
Okay.
Like if you want to give the approval thing, what will we do? You have to study that part. Okay,
Okay.
okay. There are some things, but they are not. See, for example, there are some roles which are not very much necessary. See, here the description is not given. So some roles are not, preferable. They are only for the business purpose only.
Okay.
So there are some 15 to 20 roles are there. You have to study that roles only. But mainly in ITIL admin, and some roles are important. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to the problem. Okay. Problem actually, I have to say that you have to see that you know root cause, how the root cause is. It is also one of the incident only, but number of incidents are converting into the problem.
Okay. Getting
Okay.
more instant for the
Some more,
same kind of
yeah,
issue.
with the same category with different people.
Okay.
Okay, so here is the same thing. You go for the new in behalf of getting same thing, same uh, incidents. You are creating some problem. You will find the root cause. So
Okay.
here is the same thing. See, category, service offering, configuration, problem statement. Uh, what is the urgency? Okay, critical
Yeah.
or not? Same assignment group assigned to.
Okay. Venkatesh, I have a question.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
See, this problem under the tickets will get right. Major instead like P1, P2.
Yes, yes.
Um, Both are same.
No, no, no. Major incident is like what is the impact
Hmm.
of that particular area.
Okay.
For example, uh, 10 persons are using one Wi-Fi router.
Okay.
Okay, my Wi-Fi router has been broke down. That is
Hmm.
I consider as an problem. That is I consider as a major incident because the impact of that per 10 per 10 people are affecting on my business.
Okay.
Now the problem where the problem is coming is one router has been broke down, another router also broke down. Now this is the problem.
Okay.
Now this is the major thing which has been considering the not only the business but why the router is only the affecting. So that is the main problem we have to see. So based on the impact which are creating on the business, it depends on how the major incidents has been created.
Okay.
Now, based on the circumstances, like how many routers are damaging or how many servers are have been crashed, I have to check. That is, I have to consider as a problem.
Okay.
So that is the difference. That is actually very good question.
Okay.
This is the question actually an interviewer will ask.
Okay.
Okay, you can, just a minute. Have you have any idea about how to create a major incident?
Major incident. No, I think we only P1 will give. That's all. But
Okay,
major incident MIM team is there, separate team.
separate
So
team. Okay, okay,
they will give us the ticket. So we'll assign it to the incident like a parent incident.
okay, okay. This is actually you can see that you can create this incident to problem also. Okay,
Okay.
create problem, create child incident.
Hmm.
If you create child incident for this incident, no, it will be become a major incident
Okay.
automatically. Okay, you can create a change also from this incident.
Hmm.
Okay, that I will
Okay.
tell you after completing of this circle. I will tell you how it will be analyzed. Okay,
Okay.
you can create three. You have been told about no changes, right? See,
Yes.
normal change, standard change, emergency change.
Yes.
So here you can see three changes are there. So we can see by this incident we can create these three changes too.
Okay.
By this incident we can create the problem also.
Okay.
If you go create a problem, then see what will happen. See, the problem has been created, but that incident number has been kept.
Hmm.
Have you understand that one, right?
Yes.
The problem this has created with that incident because the original task is that one, right? We are creating from that one.
Okay.
But if you see this one, I'm creating direct a problem.
Okay.
Okay, I just got the email that this number of incidents have been occurred, so you better create a problem.
Okay.
Okay, so from this I have been created. If I get the same email or I get the task from my manager that from this incident you have to create the problem, so this is how you are creating the problem.
Okay.
What is the problem? What is that short description? Is net issue, right? See here
Yes.
the net issue has been came.
Yes.
So this is how you are dealing with the problem and incident at the
Okay.
same time. Here actually knowledge base is at scale. All the knowledge articles have been came because I'm using now assist. So that's when the knowledge has been came. Otherwise
Okay.
it will not came. Okay, you can pick up this from here also. You know you have the idea about, right? You are already dealing with the
Incidents.
incident
Yes.
knowledge base, so you will definitely get it. So this is how actually it will be created.
Okay.
Okay, now the question will become what are the stages? Okay, for the problem, what are you are facing the stages? Now the task is yours. Okay, you have to check that stages like you have to mug up the stages because in admin part they will ask you the stages only.
Stays in problem management.
Yes, for example, you are giving the statement. For example, example. I'm just saving it. Okay. Okay. It has been saved. See, it has been saved. After saving it, the things are coming here in related list. Okay. After that, you have to go for the access. Where you are going for the access? Here. Change to access. Okay. Here
Uh,
actually the problem, the difference between the incident and the problem is that only. In incident, you can easily manage with the state. You
yes.
can change the state values. But here you can't change the state value because it is only the read only.
Okay.
You can't change it. So then you will go for the access. After access, it is giving that I told you, no, there are some mandatory marks you have to access it. So here see, after that one it is coming out. So you will go for here. There are groups like problem manager, problem coordinator, anything which is appropriated. For example, I'm going for this one and I'm going for OK. After that, access will be gone. Confirmation will came. Yes, you
Okay.
are confirming about it. Yes, I am confirming. Now after access, I am going for the confirmation. Root cause analysis has been came. In root cause analysis, you have to write the description like net issue from different users. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, are you fixed it? Yes, I fixed it. Now fixed notes will become after fixing it. See, fixed notes have been come. Okay, you can write any notes which has been discussed in with your manager or not. Then you have to write like anything which you got the mail from it. Yeah, which one is third floor? Third floor setup burn. Okay, pause notes is that. Fixed notes is new setup is ready. Okay, I just close it. Now fixed progress has been came. Okay, root cause analysis has been completed. Now I given the root cause analysis. Fix in progress has been came. So in fixes program, you have to check whether there are any. Sometimes there are some mandatory marks will be there. Okay, mandatory fields will be there. Here you should see that mandatory will be uh, are there or not. Some mandatory fields will be there or not. In this entire process, there is a column called reanalyze the problem. Okay, what is the reanalyze program, you have to check it because I have been set up, I have been given the notes like whatever the resolution notes or whatever the cause notes I have been given. See, new set is ready, I have given the resolution notes, but the problem is again they are saying that the new set is not ready. What we will do, again we will go for the reanalyze. This reanalyze will use to hold that particular thing. Okay, after that you can reanalyze. It will go for the again root cause analysis. You can check it. You can go what will happen if I will go for the reanalyze, and what will happen if I go for the accept risk. Okay, if I will click on accept risk, what will happen? So this is how actually it works. Then again I'm going for the resolve. Okay, my problem has been resolved. So state is has been resolved, so it entirely completed. Now I have to, it only, the ticket has been resolved. Okay, the problem has been resolved, the ticket is yet not closed, so you have to complete all the things. Okay, all the resolution notes, you have to check other information, that what are the information has been given, what is analysis information. If you want to know what you want to given the analyzing part, you have to give this analyzing part. And what is the notes which you want to kept it, you have to write the notes also. After that you can close it, like complete it. The state has been closed. So this is actually entire process of the problem. I think you got it right.
Yes, Venkatesh.
Yeah, so you have been given some tasks, so you have to complete the task too.
Sure.
Okay, what are the tasks, can you tell me?
One minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Need to create 15 users,
Yes,
six groups.
yes,
Different need to differentiate between ITL and ITL admin roles.
yes,
Uh, we need to only give ITL role to the users which I created.
yes.
Stages in the problem management.
Yeah, stages in the problem management, and then you have to check. You have to create problems from incident, and you have to create directly from the problem. Okay.
Okay, I need to create first. I need to create incident, right?
First you have to create one of the incident.
Hmm.
I have shown you, right, how you
Yes,
create the problem from the incident.
yes.
So that's how you will create. In take any incident. By taking this incident, you have to go for the right click here.
Hmm.
Okay, right click from here. You can go create problem. There will be this already created the problem.
I think it is resolved, right? That is the reason it is not coming.
That's the one. So you can see different incidents. So you will create from incident also,
Okay,
and another thing is you have to create from directly from the problem table also.
okay, okay,
Okay, and after
okay.
that you have to check what is reanalyze, what is risk accept. Okay, after
Hmm.
going to the reanalyze where the stages is going, where the state actually it's going. Okay, whether we have the opportunity to go again root cause, or again we can set up the assigned to. So you have to check that too.
Okay,
Okay, so these are the things you have to keep in your mind. And tomorrow we will discuss about the change. Okay, and change management, and uh, we will go for the update set, or we will check update sets or not.
okay.
Yeah, we will go for the update sets also. Okay, update sets and table creations also.
Update
Okay.
sets. Okay,
Yeah, update sets, table creations. If possible, I will cover the UI policies and UI policy also. Okay,
okay.
the UI policy and UI actions also. Tomorrow is Thursday, right?
Yes.
Thursday. Yeah. No, no. Tomorrow I will cover change management and update set.
Okay,
Maximum change management, update set, and table creation. Okay.
okay, okay.
After that, I will tell you UI policy and UI actions,
Sure.
because that's something large topic. UI
Okay,
actions.
okay, okay.
Okay, so that I will describe you there only.
Okay, okay, Venkatesh.
Uh, do you have any doubts in today's class, or
No, 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 that's
it's
fine
okay?
because I previously I did this, right?
Yes.
So I'm okay with this.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Try to make it a documentation part like how I have been done.
Yeah, sure.
It will actually help you to rewrite all the things whenever you get the problem.
Okay. Generally, I will make a notes, normal
Okay,
handbook. But
okay.
fine, this document will be helpful.
Yeah, this document actually helpful. I will show you one of the document actually.
Okay.
Uh, just a minute. Yeah. See, for example, change management is there, right?
Your screen is not visible.
Okay, okay.
I-
Just a minute. Just a minute. I will share it. Is this visible?
Yes.
See, for example, this is an incident management. Okay. What is an incident? I have been written out. Now I'm just continuing this documentation part like this. Okay. Create incident, new. What will be done in the new progress? Set requirement, on hold. What are the on hold reasons? Okay, and if I go to the on hold, what is the comments mandatory? What will be the on hold reasons, like awaiting caller, awaiting change, awaiting problem, awaiting vendor? Okay, now if I resolved it, what are the mandatory fields I should complete? Resolve notes, resolution code, different options. Okay, now I'm closing it. After closing it, after resolve, we have to close the incident. Okay, what are the, if I got the mail from my task manager or any manager that please cancel the incident, where I can cancel for the incident? Is there any possibility for the incident or not? So this is how you have to made it.
Okay.
Okay, this entire setup will come into your mind automatically.
Okay.
Okay. Then coming to, uh, I think there is no problem actually. I didn't work too much on the problem, so I think there is no problem. So you have to do problem also. Okay, just a minute. I think I kept the problem here. There is no problem. No, there is no problem. So for problem also you have to make the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
No, there is no problem. So for problem also you have to make it the same thing, same documentation part, like how you are approaching it for new to access, after access, what are the mandatory fields you have to do, what are the root cause analysis you have to set up, what is the fixed progress, and after fixing the progress where you have to go, how state is closing. Okay, these are the
Okay.
things you have to do in the same manner how I show you in the incident.
Okay, Venkatesh.
Okay then.